It would be a historic moment tomorrow when India's first predominantly indigenous missile destroyer, INS Vishakhapatnam, will be commissioned, giving a major boost to Indian Navy. The warship is among India's largest missile destroyer that's been constructed in India with the state-of-the-art weaponry and sensor systems. Be it missiles, weapons or logistics, INS Vishakhapatnam is a step ahead and surely a matter of pride for Indian Navy. Times Network Radhika Radhaswamy visited INS Vishakhapatnam to bring us this sneak peek.
We are standing on board Vishakhapatnam, a powerful stealth-guided missile destroyer of the Indian Navy. This indigenous ship measures 163 meters in length, 17 meters in breadth, propelled by 4 powerful gas turbines capable of achieving speeds in excess of 30 knots. It is one of the most majestic and potent warships constructed in India.
The ship is a guided missile destroyer. It's designed to go to sea for 8 to 10 days time, and it carries about 7.4 to about 10 tons of provisions to keep the men working. We have cool rooms, cold rooms, provision stores, and the galley is an indigenous galley. It's got induction-based systems.
INS Vishakhapatnam is India's first stealth-guided missile destroyer, and it's armed with surface-to-air missiles as well as surface-to-surface missiles and a lot more advanced inbuilt warfare system.
The ship is a versatile platform capable of blue water operations across the spectrum of warfare. The state-of-the-art weapon sensor suite consisting of surface-to-surface missile and surface-to-air missiles coupled with advanced network-enabled capabilities, radar systems and integral multi-role helicopters makes her a potent platform that packs substantial offensive and defensive capability. The ship is equipped to fight under nuclear, biological and chemical warfare conditions. I'm with Commander Modit Soni, who will take us through several significant features of guided missile destroyer. Tell us, how is this missile destroyer significantly different?
This is a ship which is multi-dimensional as far as its warfare capabilities are concerned. It is armed with surface-to-surface missiles. It is armed with surface-to-air missiles. It is armed with guns which vary from medium range to short range guns. And it has a very, very well-equipped underwater package which can neutralize any subsurface target which is in the area of operation.